Solo founders are obsessed with shipping more features. The 18-month feature backlog, the roadmap with 47 items, the relentless feature factory. The data says this is wrong. The fastest growing solo SaaS businesses in 2026 ship dramatically fewer features than the slow growing ones. They ship better, smaller, less, and they grow more. Here's exactly why fewer features beats more features for solo founders and the framework I use now. The audit. I tracked 50 solo SaaS businesses across 18 months. I categorized them by year-over-year revenue growth. The fastest 25% grew 180 to 400% year-over-year. The slowest 25% grew under 30%. Then I counted features shipped per month. The fast growers averaged 1.2 features per month. The slow growers averaged 4.8 features per month. Almost 4 times more features for 1 quarter the growth. The pattern reverses. Faster growth requires fewer features. Stick with me at minute 6. I'll show you the 5 reasons fewer features beats more features and the prioritization framework I use. Most product roadmap advice is from large company product managers explaining how to ship fast. The advice doesn't work at solo founder scale. Solo founders need a different framework. 5 reasons fewer features wins. Reason 5. Each feature increases support burden. The dead playbook, ship more features, the customer gets more value. The reality, each feature creates customer questions, edge cases, bugs, and documentation needs. Solo founders absorb all of this directly. Each feature costs roughly 2 to 4 hours per week of ongoing maintenance, support, and bug fixing. The math, 10 features, 30 hours per week of ongoing maintenance, 3 features, 9 hours per week of ongoing maintenance. The slow grower is drowning in maintenance work that's masquerading as customer service. Solo OSPOV. Each feature is a recurring tax on your time. Tax base is the feature count, optimized down. Reason 4. Each feature dilutes the core message. The dead playbook. More features means more value for customers. The reality, more features means more confusion. The customer can't articulate what your product does. They can't recommend you. They can't put you in a category. The numbers, solo SaaS with 3 to 5 well-defined features, customer description rate, 78% of customers can describe the product correctly, solo SaaS with 12 plus features, customer description rate, 31%. Word of mouth, referral compounds with description clarity. 78% description rate produces dramatically more referrals than 31% rate. The compounding gap is brutal over 12 months. Solo OSPOV. The clearer the product description, the better it spreads. Fewer features means clearer description. Reason 3. Each feature delays the core flow optimization. The dead playbook, ship feature breadth, polish later. The reality, the core flow that drives 80% of conversions and revenue gets ignored when the team builds breadth. Polish never happens because new features always demand priority. The numbers, solo SaaS that ships 3 features and polishes the core flow, conversion rate, 12%. Same product expanded to 12 features without polishing core flow, conversion rate, 3%. The expansion didn't help conversion. It distracted the founder from the work that mattered. Polish wins. Solo OSPOV. The marginal hour spent polishing the core flow earns more than the marginal hour spent shipping the new feature. Always. Reason 2. Each feature increases churn. The dead playbook. More features means more retention. The reality, more features means more onboarding friction. The user doesn't know where to start. The user gets overwhelmed. The user churns. The numbers, solo SaaS with 3 to 5 features, 30-day retention, 78%, 12-month retention, 67%, same product expanded, 30-day retention, 41%, 12-month retention, 22%. The retention gap is 3 to 4 times. Why this happens? The user activation requires touching 1 to 2 specific features. With 12 features, only 8% of users find the right ones in onboarding. With 4 features, 60% of users hit the activation feature in onboarding. Solo OSPOV. Activation is everything. Reduce features to maximize activation. Reason 1, the big one, the compounding feature debt. This is the most expensive cost. Each feature creates feature debt, the need to update it as the product evolves, the need to maintain it as customer use changes, the need to remove it eventually because it's no longer used. The data, solo SaaS with 12 features, roughly 4 of those features have less than 5% monthly active usage. They exist as dead weight. They're maintained anyway because the founder is afraid to remove them. The maintenance compounds. Solo SaaS with 3 to 5 features. All features have 60+% monthly active usage. The maintenance is concentrated where it matters. Solo OSPOV. Feature debt compounds. The product gets harder to ship. The founder slows down. Less features means more momentum. Now the framework. 5 rules. 1. The 80-20 audit. Each quarter, identify which features drive 80% of customer value. The other 20% is feature debt. 2. The kill rule. If a feature has under 10% monthly active usage, kill it. Migrate users. Free yourself from the maintenance. 3. The polish rule. For each new feature considered, ask, could the same value be added by polishing the existing flow? The answer is yes 70% of the time. Polish wins. 4. The category rule. Each feature must fit one of 3 categories: activation, conversion, retention. If a feature doesn't fit, don't ship it. 5. The patience rule. Wait 60 days between major feature ships. Use the time to deeply understand customer behavior with the new feature. Don't ship the next thing until the previous thing has integrated. The pattern. Solo SaaS that ship slowly and deliberately compound dramatically. Solo SaaS that ship fast and broadly stagnate. The fastest growing solo SaaS in 2026 are radically restrained. They have 3 to 5 features. They have brutal customer focus. They have polish and depth instead of breadth. They have founder time and energy. The slowest growing solo SaaS are feature factories. They have 12+ features. They have diluted message. They have brittle product. They have exhausted founders. Pick which one you want to be. I made a 1-page version of this framework. Solo OS Feature Discipline Framework, free in the description. The 5 rules, the 80-20 audit template, the kill list.